Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Not long time guys. Thank you for all those who keep on subscribing, liking and sharing my videos. I really appreciate guys your efforts, and to all those who comment, my team, how is it called, my team Premier Gangang guys, you're always at heart. So I know most of you wonder like how people in Dubai, like the foreigners who come in either by work, kuja kufanya work, how do we live in? You know, like I know you're there, you've never been to Dubai. Maybe mostly if you're not going to book for a hotel, like you are just wondering like how does life looks like guys, of which it's totally different. And like when you're in Kenya, guys, when you're in Kenya, I would say housing is better because with 15,000 you have a good one bedroom house in Nairobi. But unlike in Dubai, housing it's very expensive, and that's why I was like, why not do a Bedspace tour and show you guys how it looks like. I'll do also hotels tours, studio tours, partition tours, capsule tours guys. I want you to see and understand before either coming to Dubai, or maybe you have an idea of coming to Dubai and work. Know how the real deal is guys, so that you won't be scared, you won't have those cultural shock. You're like, oh my god, how is that even possible? You get it? So I decided I would show you with where I live. I live near the beach. It's not that far from the beach. And where I stay, it's a bed space. A bed space is where like it's a space where you share bathroom, toilet, the kitchen. So the only place that is private for you, it's your small bed space, like your small bed space. They call it a bed space. And the bed space, it's either you're on top or uko chini. For me, I don't love those bed space with three, like 1, 2, 3. They are known as buj. For me, I don't love those buj because mtakuwa wengi, and maybe you are sharing that one bed space. Like in that one bed, you're sharing watu wawili. You get it? Like you'd be like mtakuwa wengi. Hata juu ya space and everything, I prefer where the beds are 2, not 3. And where beds are 3, mostly it's less cheaper than those who are 2. And also depending on where you stay, like there are other bed spaces which are more expensive. Nika venye unaweza kuwa uko Nairobi, unaishi Karibange, kuna watu wanaishi Westlands, kuna watu wanaishi, you understand guys. So your location also matters on how much you're going to pay for that bed space guys. You get it? What else really matters? So it also matters if you want to get nearer to your place of work. Definitely you look place in una feel iko karibu, and you use less transport. Utaamka late, utaamka like mapema if they are not providing transport for you, the company. If they are providing, you can either stay in an accommodation and then unakuja na pick kwa mahali mnakaa. So it all depends, like depending na kampuni yako guys. So, and also before we continue my loves, if you really want to come to Dubai, either to visit or either to work, DM me on my number. My Kenya number is +254 712 690 868. I will take you through all processes of visa process, ticketing, and also accommodation. Guys, when I say I make sure that when bringing my clients, they feel safe, they feel happy. Mostly I will bring you where they are Kenyans. At least you feel safe. Okay, so ukiongea Kiswahili, you won't feel the tension. And also, you know, different nationalities kupika. Me, for me, their food, which I feel I don't like the smell, but unlike when in Kenya, at least unajua hiyo harufu, hakuna venye utafeel disgusted or anything. I won't take you where there is mixed nationalities, not unless after that 1 month is done and you feel like, you know what, I really maybe to move out from where I was, you go to another place, you know, like ukikuwa huku, when you come here, like after 1 month unakwanga mwerevu, unakwanga unajua jiji venye iko, like you'll be knowledgeable enough to know what's good for me, what's best for me, what I can do, guys. You understand all that? So that was the main reason why I also wanted to show you an example of a bed space. So guys, stay tuned so that you can see an example of a bed space, capsule, studio, what else have I forgotten? All those guys I'll be taking you through and get the knowledge in staying and living in Dubai, my loves. Okay, without wasting a lot of time, let me show you the bed space, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment, guys. If you didn't understand something or maybe you want to inquire more, still holler me. If you want, you see guys, na waletanga kwa Bedspace supu vitu kali, make sure you're my client. Otherwise kenda kutupa na huko sikuja kuniambia. Here's accommodation. I will show you how they look like. I will try all my best, guys. So my loves, let's watch. Subscribe. Welcome all to my space. So we are starting on the door, guys. You can see there is this artificial plant. Is it a plant or a tree? Kuna hizo sockets, that's the entrance door. Kuna hizi cabinets where we put your stuffs up there, like kila mtu amepewa yake moja moja hivyo, guys. That's the lighting, my loves. You can see there is this, hiyo kitu ya fire hapo place, inafanya ni venye tukua tumeconnect. You can see everything that's going on there. There is that beautiful mat. Yeah, that's my cabinet. Msijali sijaarrange sana, but that's it. Cereals, all hot, rice, chumvi, kuna hiyo nini ya hapo juu, my loves. Mmeona venye iko. That's like a cabinet at least, and then you can close food stuff. Kuko hapo na chini ni ya bishti yangu. Let's continue. There is this specific place where you can just rest kama utaki kushinda kama umekaa kwa bed. Kuna hii place, resting area. Actually, the one who sleeps in the bed is the owner, guys. Aki anakuanga roho safi. He's just the best. And imagine he's so accommodative. Like niko bed space zenye nimekaa, I'd always recommend him again. Like ana roho mbaya. Like he's just an amazing person. As you can see, he's also clean. Na hizo zote interior, imagine yeye amefanya. I'm telling you the truth. Hiyo ni kitu ya kuweka nguo. You can see that flower over there, that picture over here. Kuna kastup kake and the headphones and everything. Everything in that place looks amazing, guys. That's the first thing that when you enter into the bed space, unaona from a far distance. So I was using my phone in that the other kakitu. Kitaka kama hako, guys, ya kushikilia simu, DM me. I'm going to ship it for you, guys. Just 1700. Kuna hiyo hapo hivyo, guys. So he's planning kuweka TV hapo juu inch, and anyone mwenye na relax hapo anaweza kuwa naona kuna BT hapo chini, guys. Mnaona venye iko. Everything is just amazing. That the two artificial plants, amazing. So tukienda hivyo, it's the kitchen, guys. Welcome to our kitchen. Drum rolls. So kuna hiyo place tulikuwa tumeweka fan. You know, Dubai, it's so cold, it's so hot saa hizi. Kuna hizo vifaa za shisha za clean that nini mnaona hapo. That's the fridge, as you can see. Mtukipika, you just put your stuffs in there, guys. Mnaona all blah blah blah, you can see it all, guys. I didn't know, like, guys, voice offers zinakuanga ni haraka wish ninge record nikiongea, but kulikuwa na noise and I do want some copyright. There is my friend anaitwa Reggie, by the way. She is eating something. That's where we dine. Ukipika unakulia hapo. If you don't want to go to your bed and eat here hapo, as you can see, kuna air fryer hapo, kuna rice cooker, guys. A lot of rice cooker, kuna blender, kuna microwave, other cabinets. Hizo ndo nini ya kukalia, the mats, the dish rack. After you wash, unaweka hapo ndo zikauka kama kumwaga maji. As you can see, the space is not that big, but it's accommodative. That's where you put our utensils, which are used by everyone, guys. Mnaona It's so fantastic and amazing, my loves. And the good thing with this place, it's clean. Mnaona guys, if you want this kind of bed space, just DM me. Mnaona venye ni smart, everything equals settled everywhere, and the space it's clean. Like mtu anatumianga kanaosha, and it's then we tuko karibu na dirisha, so nini natoka tu, hakuna stuffiness in the house. So let's continue, guys. Terrace, that's from a far distance. That's how it looks like. The kitchen, it's accommodative. Naona it's big enough, you can cook. Yote makuwa na mtu mwenye alikuwa anapika food. Haya, 2 rows to the main room. You can see those akoka carpet over there, mani doormat. So in here, it's where he has placed this shoe rack for everyone. Like I was trying to open that so I can show you. You'll see them, like their shoes up there. Let's open. No, naziko hapa hivyo mwenye anyone can place his or her own shoes. At least ukwe na space and ukwe organized. There are 2. There is this one and the other one. You see this guy, ona guys venye anatufikiria, like he's so nice and amazing that na hata sidhani kanaweza hama ni hame kama job nimepata place nyingine mbali, but this hiyo ni kitu ya, if you want something from the groceries, tuna kiwango hapo, unaweza wapigia, maybe unataka onion, kitunguu, bam, they bring it for you guys. So nilikuwa nawaambia hapa sidhani kana naweza toka. Some space kama zijatoshea chini ya bed naikaanga hapo, and there is water for everyone akunye hapo. Guys, this now how a bed space looks like. Kuna the upper one and the lower. Nakumbuka venye tukiwa dormitories kulikuwa kuna ama hostels. This is how it is, and they have these curtains where hata ukivaa nguo no one will see you. So kuna ya chini na kuna ya juu. Haya, if you have money you can stay on the chini. Ya chini inakuanga more expensive, and you can decide either to stay ukiwa peke yako or you share with you, mkiwa wili. So hapa nilikuwa nataka kuonyesha mahali nalalanga. This way I sleep. Unaona venye nimeweka, sijapanga sana guys, so don't worry. Ukitaka ako ka kitu by the kanamulika, kako na fan na pia light, DM me, I will also help you in that. Unatuona tunini hapo to bags. I teddy bear but that I was given as a gift, and some handbags. I was eating that chapati and beans like at the duvet. All that, I just wanted to show you how a bed space actually looks like. That's at the hanging, yenye unaikanga chungo zako kama kwa almost kwenda job ama za kutumia. Atujeka hiyo nini nitangwaje, it's just like that anyway. Hakuna mwenye anaweza na that was my friend alikuwa ametoka to job, and I was teasing her and telling her like, you must buy a nini TV screen and some lighting. I just love her so much. She's called Joy. She's just a good vibe. I just like her so much. Alikuwa ametoka job, so I was just making fun and we were just laughing and everything. Nikimwambia uje na kuchukua, and she's like okay, haina shida. So that was it. Mnaona space, very spacious. Kuna hiyo mat hapo chini, kuna other cardboards. Kama zinaitwa aje, nimesahau. There are no cardboards. Kuna venye zinaitwa hizo za kustore there, and that's our washroom, guys. It's so big. Unaona venye ni kubwa, guys. You'll see how big it is. It's so big. There is that mirror, unaweza jiangalia ujione venye uko, guys. And then kuna hiyo place ya kuwekelea toothbrush, key-brush, nini, all that stuff. The cleaning, vitu za kuwekelea, another shelf, kuwekelea vitu za kuoga. That's a toilet. Iko na hiyo disinfectant nika ina change. The shower, as you can see, it's big enough, guys. The washing machine. Here we don't wash our nini. Watushangi na mikono, like we have a washing machine down there. So guys, as you can see, mnaona venye ni kubwa, like it's enough to cater for everyone, guys. Mnaona? And the dirisha, it's open, like mtu anaweza fanya nini dirisha, like what am I saying, dirisha ni open, nini toke all the mist and everything, guys. Mtu akioga. That's the lighting, guys. Tell me how your bed space looks like. How much would you give this bed space? Is it a 10/10 minus nothing, or is it an 8, guys? Just tell me. Imagine ukiwa huku it's so much expensive like kurent nyumba kama hiyo peke yako. So that's why mtu anachukua Bedspace and then you share. For anyone who is stomaching, I usually prefer kuja kwa Bedspace because utapatana na watu mwenye atakwambia kuna place kwetu by the way wanachukuana, come try. Unaona by the way hapo chini ndo mtu anaikanga vitu zake. Come try that's my friend's bed hiyo chini. Come try uone venye kuko, but ukikaa kwa studio ama capsule kama uko na job, it's your first time stomaching, it will be hard for you guys. Unaona the place looks like that and nothing much, nothing less. Tell me your thoughts. What do you think? I told you it's more expensive. And also if you're in Dubai and you want me to showcase your bed space, you want me to market your bed space for you guys, you can also call me, DM me, WhatsApp me, and I will do that guys. Junambia she kuna bed space niambie, tell me, we'll do business with you. You know you want me to market something for you guys, DM me guys. I'm easy to reach, 0712 690 868. That's my Kenya number, but you have to start with +2547. Hiyo ni ya white kwa hapo hivyo juu ni ya kuweka air freshener alafu kuna nukia. Guys, na tuliconnect, baadaye alikuja akaniconnect here and then ikaanza kukaka hiyo the lighting, it was so beautiful. So around there I was just taking some sneak peek of it God. So let's go out. Mna tuko na kamati nje, that's another bed space over there. That's the Wi-Fi. Tunateremka. The bed looks, it's clean honestly guys, mnaona. So that time they were fixing the Wi-Fi, it's a bit slow and everything. So ata the person who is owning our bed space anasema like anataka tu kunini zingine. So they were just trying to fix things out there. That's where we hang our clothes. Naona ni venye kulikuwa na watu hapo hivyo singeweza kuonyesha vizuri, but I guess tutaona kama chini nikirudi niweza kuonyesha. So these are villa actually. That's the outside. So I decided why not show you. Ilikuwa around 7. Yeah, there is an ample parking as you can see. That's the view on my end. No, now guys, make a guess. Where do you think I am? Make a guess. I'm not in Dubai. Make a guess where I am, guys. Tell me. So let's see kama niliweza kuchukua juu kuna place, kuna kitenye kwa hapo hivyo where people wanaendanga wanakaa chini. Let's see those. Let's see whether I took it. Let's see, yeah, ndo hiyo kiti. Watu wanakujanga wanaenda wanakaa hapo hivyo chini, guys. And I was like, I'm done. So there's someone who was telling me like I should just help me with marketing. Kamwambia it's okay, atakuja tutaongea about the story about it. So I was like, let me get inside and do the finish up vlogging, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed and liked the video. So guys, I remembered like to take this part after it was connected so that I would see how lovely and good it looks like, guys. After to me connect when you're in a smart, it looks so amazing. Kwanza at night when the lights are off, it's so pretty. Guys, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you've enjoyed. Hopefully you've learned something, like 1, 2, 3 things that you didn't know, guys. Give me a like, a thumbs up, guys. Make sure you turn on your notification bell, guys, so that you don't miss out anytime I upload a video, guys. Give me some views. The only thing that I want from you, give me some views, guys. And if you want to come to Dubai, text me via that number. Or even shopping, if you want me to do shopping for you, perfume, Samsung, iPhone, anything, guys, I got you covered. You want beautiful bills, shipping, all that, guys, I'll help you. Okay, feel loved, feel entertained, and feel at peace. Ciao.